Which is better, MSC cruises or Virgin cruises? I'm going on my first cruise. Wow, it's a steep ramp, huh?
Welcome on board.
65?
Yeah.
All right, I will open for you the cabin.
Thank you. Oh my God. Yeah, no, this is not what I look.
You can fit it in here. I think so. You think so?
No.
Okay.
Absolutely not. It's a disaster. It is not fine. This is absolutely not fine. I'm so excited and also very nervous. I'm going on my first cruise. The cruise I'm going on is for 8 days, 7 nights with MSC, and it leaves here in Marseille. On this cruise, I'm going to check out everything on the boat, from the pools, the bars, the restaurants, take you for a tour of my cabin. I will even show you some of the features of the boat that aren't great for people with disabilities. Tomorrow we go to Barcelona. After that we go to Tunisia. We go to Palermo, which is the stop that I'm most excited about. I have arrived in Palermo. Then we head on to Naples in Italy. Our final day is in Florence. So come with me on my first sea voyage and let's go sail the world together. All right, checking in. Wish me luck, here we go. Thank you. Perfect, merci. Thank you. So that was the check-in process. I was given no information, no nothing. It's more like they gave me a ticket number, which I have no idea what this means, but number 47. About to go to another check-in counter. So I got this, and this is my passport. I'll just let you know as well, when I went to check in, it sent me an email at midnight, and then I woke up to check in and it said I can't check in, it's too late. I couldn't get a boarding pass because when I went online to check in, it said I can't check in. So it didn't let me. Merci beaucoup. It's my welcome letter.
Go downstairs.
Yeah.
And then I'll be there.
Okay, merci beaucoup. Thank you.
Just take the elevator. I will wait for you downstairs.
Merci beaucoup. Back in the elevator again and going back to where I started from. Doesn't seem like they know their system for wheelchair users that well. Merci. I think that means I go with this security guy. Merci beaucoup. Now that I've come through security, I've got no instructions on where to go, what to do. I don't even know my room number. They've told me nothing. So I'm just going to try to follow the people that are just walking and hopefully they'll head to the right direction. So this is the boat. This is the boat that I'll be spending 7 days on. It's pretty big, and there's a guy just over here who looks like he's spray painting it, just giving it a fresh coat of paint. But yeah, the boat is enormous. So I'm actually going on a walkway between two boats. On the right of me is MSC Cruises, and to the left of me is Virgin Cruises. Which is better, MSC Cruises or Virgin Cruises? So here's the entrance, which is the staircase. But lucky for me, there's a ramp.
Very nice.
Wow, it's a steep ramp, huh? Crazy. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, it's a steep one. It's getting steeper. Oh,
Yes.
that one?
Only this one, yeah?
Okay, cool.
Yes, welcome aboard.
Thank
Do
you.
you need any assistance?
I called up and they said there's an accessible cabin, so it'll be accessible, I'm assuming.
Yes.
Hello, how are you?
Good at you?
Very good, thank you.
This is a location of your cruise card.
Okay,
You
great.
will proceed to your room to
Okay.
take your cruise card
Yeah,
and make sure that the name is relevant, is the same.
okay.
Welcome on board.
Merci beaucoup. So now I'm off to find my room.
Hello.
Hi,
How are you, sir?
I'm good.
65?
Yeah,
All right, I will open for you the cabin.
thank you.
Okay. I will leave the door like this.
Oh my God. Yeah, no, this is not what I look.
You can fit it in here. I think so. You think so?
No,
Okay.
absolutely not. It's a disaster. It is not fine. This is absolutely not fine. Coming up.
Just go to the reception regard, or you just can call them
Okay.
right here. Okay?
Okay, thank you. I got a bit of a problem with my room and it's not accessible.